Once you have your rough mind map ready after all the research, brainstorming, having clarity as to what you want to talk about, try to join the dots so that you can weave a story with the help of it. Quite surprised, isn't it? अभी पब्लिक स्पीकिंग करना है कि स्टोरी टेलिंग करना है? But let me tell you, storytelling is a very powerful tool which can help you in 3 different ways. आप बहुत easily किसी को convince, persuade या inform कर सकते हैं. आपकी जो audience है, they get very easily convinced if they can relate with your story. आप sales pitch ले लो, job interview ले लो, managing conflicts ले लो, presenting your ideas ले लो, storytelling works wonders. Second, it helps a person to take decisions. काफ़ी सब्जेक्ट्स में आप पढ़ते हैं ना केस स्टडी, काफ़ी प्रोफेशंस में हम केस स्टडी पढ़ते हैं. केस स्टडी क्या है? स्टोरी टेलिंग. और वो ही स्टोरी टेलिंग आपको सिचुएशंस एंड रेमेडी देने में हेल्प करता है. सो इट इज़ वेरी हेल्पफुल इन टेकिंग डिसीजंस. Third is storytelling helps to connect with your audience emotionally. When you are on stage or in the boardroom giving some presentation or a sales pitch, you need to connect with your audience on common grounds. For that, storytelling is the best option. If you are able to do that, the purpose of your talk is fulfilled because you are able to synchronize with the thought process of your audience and connection is made. That means you and your audience is on the same page. Your thoughts are aligned. Story doesn't mean only entertainment. The news and the advertisement that we watch all are based on storytelling. Most of us didn't like to learn history when we were in school, isn't it? But we love to watch historical movies because the same facts are shown to us in the form of a story. And that we can remember easily. If I ask you, most of you will not be able to tell the right answer as to what was Kepler's law, what were the integration and differentiation formulas, or the sequence of elements in the periodic table. But if I ask you, the moral of the stories that you heard from your grandma of the Panchatantra story moral, you still remember that. Storytelling is a powerful tool, especially when they are true stories. About Dhoni, Tendulkar, 9/11, 26/11, there are many more. They can be easily embedded in the memory of masses because they are true. And when we narrate them, we narrate it with a lot of emotion and conviction. That's effective communication. But if the story is fake or not based on true incidents, it loses the spark soon because it does not have the authenticity. Best part is that your life is full of stories. The only problem is you have not thought about it seriously. If your age is 25 years, then you at least remember the special moments of 18 or 17 years of your life. That may be sad, happy, full of anxiety, whatever it is. But if you remember it, that means the moment was important to you. Use those moments as stories to prove your point. Your stories may have characters, data, facts, incidences, action, reaction, pictures, and many things more. Your aim should be to connect with your audience by resonating your frequency with theirs. Story will be the best tool to achieve it. Coming back to our activity part. Okay, so what you have to do now is you have your mind map. Try to give a storyline to it. Try to create a story with the help of some bullet points. Okay, join the dots. Like आपने जो माइंड मैप बनाया है या जो बुलेट पॉइंट्स बनाया है, what are the pillars of your mind map? Okay, which points are relevant and you want to keep in the story? What do you feel is not so important and can be left out? Keep striking the things which you want to keep and put across all those things which you want to leave out. I'm waiting for your fascinating story to come up. Get ready with your storyline, and till then, let's know more about the empowering tool which I was calling by the name safety net.